Welcome to the fascinating world of arachnids, where each species has evolved unique hunting strategies to thrive in their environments. From the intricate webs of spiders to the stealthy ambush tactics of scorpions, arachnids display a remarkable array of adaptations for capturing prey. Spiders, for instance, use their silk to create elaborate traps, while some species, like the jumping spider, rely on their keen eyesight and agility to pounce on unsuspecting prey. Jumping spiders have exceptional vision with 4 pairs of eyes that allow them to judge distances accurately and execute precise leaps. Orb weaver spiders, on the other hand, construct large, intricate webs that act as both a home and a hunting ground, capturing flying insects that get entangled in the sticky silk. Did you know that some orb weaver spiders rebuild their webs every night to ensure they remain effective traps? Scorpions are masters of ambush, using their pincers to grasp and their venomous stingers to subdue their victims. These hunters are found in diverse habitats, from the dense rainforests to arid deserts, each environment shaping their hunting techniques. In rainforests, orb weaver spiders construct large, intricate webs to catch flying insects, while wolf spiders rely on their speed and camouflage to hunt on the forest floor. Wolf spiders are ground hunters, using their excellent eyesight and rapid movements to chase down prey. They do not rely on webs, but instead actively hunt, often at night. Interestingly, wolf spiders carry their egg sacs with them, ensuring their young are protected until they hatch. In deserts, scorpions use their burrows to ambush prey, emerging at night to hunt under the cover of darkness. Desert scorpions have adapted to the harsh environment by becoming nocturnal hunters, using the cooler night temperatures to their advantage. Some desert scorpions can even glow under ultraviolet light, a phenomenon known as fluorescence. Grasslands are home to trapdoor spiders, which create hidden burrows with camouflaged doors to surprise their prey. Trapdoor spiders construct burrows with a hinged door made of silk and soil, which they use to ambush unsuspecting insects that wander too close. These spiders can remain hidden for long periods, waiting patiently for the perfect moment to strike. In this journey into their world, we'll uncover the secrets behind their hunting prowess and witness the crucial role they play in maintaining the delicate balance of nature. Join me as we explore the captivating lives of these 8-legged hunters. Here, suspended between leaves and branches, an orb-weaving spider constructs its intricate trap. This masterpiece of silk, strong yet nearly invisible, is a deadly snare for unsuspecting insects. The spider, a patient architect, meticulously weaves each strand, its 8 legs moving with practiced precision. It works tirelessly, driven by an ancient instinct to hunt and survive. The web, a marvel of engineering, is designed to capture the kinetic energy of flying insects. Each silken thread is coated with a sticky substance, ensuring that any insect unfortunate enough to make contact becomes ensnared. The spider, sensing the slightest vibration through its web, rushes towards its captive. Orb-weaving spiders start by creating radial lines, which serve as the framework of the web. They then form a spiral pattern, adding sticky silk to the capture spiral to ensure prey cannot escape. The spider waits patiently at the center or in a retreat, feeling for vibrations that signal the presence of prey. Once an insect is caught, the spider quickly wraps it in silk and injects venom to immobilize it before consuming its meal. After feeding, the spider often repairs and maintains its web, ensuring it remains an effective hunting tool. The process begins with the creation of anchor lines, which secure the web to branches or other structures. Next, the spider forms a frame and radial lines, which act as the skeleton of the web. The spider then spins a non-sticky spiral to provide a guide for the final sticky capture spiral. The sticky silk is added last, ensuring that the web is both strong and effective at trapping prey. Orb-weaving spiders are highly sensitive to vibrations, allowing them to detect and locate prey with remarkable accuracy. Once prey is detected, the spider swiftly immobilizes it with silk and venom, ensuring a successful capture. Maintenance is crucial. The spider regularly inspects and repairs its web to keep it in optimal condition for hunting. The initial step involves creating anchor lines, which are the foundation of the web, securing it to branches or other structures. The spider then forms a frame and radial lines, which act as the skeleton of the web. The spider spins a non-sticky spiral to provide a guide for the final sticky capture spiral. The sticky silk is added last, ensuring that the web is both strong and effective at trapping prey. Orb-weaving spiders are highly sensitive to vibrations, allowing them to detect and locate prey with remarkable accuracy. Once prey is detected, the spider swiftly immobilizes it with silk and venom, ensuring a successful capture. Maintenance is crucial. The spider regularly inspects and repairs its web to keep it in optimal condition for hunting. The initial step involves creating anchor lines, which are the foundation of the web, securing it to branches or other structures. The spider then forms a frame and radial lines, which act as the skeleton of the web. The spider spins a non-sticky spiral to provide a guide for the final sticky capture spiral. The sticky silk is added last, ensuring that the web is both strong and effective at trapping prey. Orb-weaving spiders are highly sensitive to vibrations, allowing them to detect and locate prey with remarkable accuracy. Once prey is detected, the spider swiftly immobilizes it with silk and venom, ensuring a successful capture. Maintenance is crucial. The spider regularly inspects and repairs its web to keep it in optimal condition for hunting. There are over 3,000 species of orb-weaving spiders, each with unique characteristics and web-building techniques. The garden orb weaver, known for its large circular webs, is commonly found in gardens and forests. The golden orb weaver spins a web with a distinctive golden hue, often seen in tropical regions. The spiny orb weaver, with its spiky abdomen, creates smaller webs and is often found in gardens. These spiders play a crucial role in controlling insect populations, making them vital to the ecosystem. Their webs not only serve as traps, but also as shelters and nurseries for their young. After hatching, spiderlings often use a technique called ballooning to disperse, carried by the wind on silk threads. The beauty and complexity of orb-weaving spiders' webs continue to fascinate scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. These intricate structures are a testament to the remarkable abilities of these tiny architects. Through their web-building and hunting techniques, orb-weaving spiders demonstrate the delicate balance of nature. Their constant maintenance and repair of webs ensure they remain effective hunters and vital components of their ecosystems. As darkness descends upon the desert, a transformation begins. The scorching heat of the day gives way to the cool, eerie calm of the night. In this twilight world, a different kind of hunter emerges from the shadows. The desert scorpion, clad in an armor of brown and tan, emerges from its burrow beneath the sand. Its exoskeleton, a perfect camouflage, blends seamlessly with the desert landscape. Its powerful pincers, held aloft, are always ready to seize its prey. These pincers are not just tools for hunting, but also for defense, a testament to the scorpion's adaptability in this harsh environment. This is a world of extremes, where survival depends on stealth and precision. The desert, with its blistering days and freezing nights, is a place where only the most resilient can thrive. The scorpion, a master of patience, waits for its prey to stray too close. It can remain motionless for hours, conserving energy in a place where every movement counts. Its senses are finely tuned to the vibrations of the desert floor, alerting it to the slightest movement. The scorpion's ability to detect these subtle signals is crucial for its survival. An unsuspecting insect, drawn by the promise of food or seeking shelter, becomes the scorpion's next meal. The insect, unaware of the danger lurking beneath the sand, ventures too close. With lightning speed, the scorpion strikes, its pincers snapping shut with deadly accuracy. The precision of this attack is the result of millions of years of evolution. The scorpion's tail, tipped with a venomous stinger, arches over its back, ready to deliver a paralyzing blow. This stinger is not just a weapon, but a tool for subduing prey and defending against predators. The venom, a potent cocktail of neurotoxins, quickly immobilizes the prey. This venom is a complex mixture designed to incapacitate and begin the process of digestion even before the scorpion starts to feed. The scorpion, its meal secured, retreats to its burrow, leaving behind only the faintest trace of its presence. In the vast expanse of the desert, it is a ghost, a silent predator that thrives in the shadows. Desert scorpions have developed remarkable survival strategies to endure the harsh conditions. They can slow their metabolism, allowing them to survive on minimal food and water for extended periods. Their diet is diverse, ranging from insects and spiders to small lizards and even other scorpions. This opportunistic feeding behavior ensures they can capitalize on whatever prey is available. The potency of their venom varies among species, but it is always a powerful tool. Some scorpions possess venom that can cause severe pain or even be lethal to humans, while others use it primarily to subdue their prey. In addition to hunting, their venom serves as a formidable defense mechanism. When threatened, a scorpion will raise its pincers and tail, ready to strike and deter any would-be predators. Through millions of years of evolution, desert scorpions have perfected the art of survival. Their ability to adapt to the extreme conditions of the desert makes them one of nature's most efficient and enduring hunters. One of their key survival strategies is their ability to burrow. By digging into the sand, they create a microhabitat that offers protection from the extreme temperatures and predators. Interestingly, scorpions glow under ultraviolet light, a trait that scientists believe may help them avoid predators or communicate with each other. Their ability to survive long periods without food is another remarkable adaptation. By lowering their metabolic rate, they can endure months of scarcity, waiting for the right moment to strike. The study of scorpion venom has revealed its potential for medical applications. Researchers are exploring its use in pain management, cancer treatment, and even antibacterial agents. Despite their fearsome reputation, scorpions play a crucial role in the ecosystem. They help control insect populations and serve as a food source for other predators. The desert scorpion, with its arsenal of survival strategies and potent venom, is a testament to the resilience of life in one of the planet's most unforgiving environments. One of the most fascinating aspects of their survival is their ability to enter a state of dormancy. During extreme conditions, scorpions can slow their metabolic processes to a near halt, conserving energy until more favorable conditions return. Their venom is not only a tool for hunting, but also a sophisticated defense mechanism. When threatened, scorpions can deliver a sting that varies in intensity, from a mild warning to a lethal dose depending on the threat level. The adaptability of desert scorpions is further highlighted by their ability to thrive in various microhabitats within the desert. From rocky crevices to sandy dunes, they can find or create shelters that offer protection and hunting opportunities. The ultraviolet glow of scorpions remains a subject of scientific curiosity. Some researchers suggest it may help scorpions detect each other in the dark, while others believe it could be a form of camouflage or a way to deter predators. The desert scorpion's ability to endure the harshest conditions on Earth is a testament to the incredible adaptability of life. Their survival strategies, honed over millions of years, make them one of the most fascinating creatures of the desert. Desert scorpions often interact with other desert creatures, both as predators and prey. They are known to hunt small lizards while also being preyed upon by larger animals such as birds and mammals. Some scorpions engage in symbiotic relationships with other desert inhabitants. For instance, certain beetles may share burrows with scorpions, benefiting from the protection while providing cleaning services by eating debris. Scorpions have also adapted to survive extreme weather conditions. During sandstorms, they can seal their burrows to prevent sand from entering, and their exoskeletons protect them from abrasive particles. Female scorpions exhibit remarkable maternal care. After giving birth, they carry their young on their backs until the offspring are ready to fend for themselves, ensuring their survival in the harsh desert environment. Ongoing research continues to uncover new insights into scorpion biology and behavior. Scientists are particularly interested in their venom, which holds potential for developing new medicines and treatments. The defensive behaviors of scorpions are also a subject of study. Understanding how they respond to threats can provide insights into their survival strategies and help develop better methods for managing scorpion populations in human-inhabited areas. The desert scorpion's ability to blend into its environment is a key survival trait. This camouflage not only helps them avoid predators, but also allows them to ambush prey more effectively. The mystery of why scorpions glow under UV light continues to intrigue scientists. Some theories suggest it may be a way to attract mates or a method to regulate their internal body clock. The desert scorpion's resilience and adaptability make it a true marvel of nature. Their ability to survive and thrive in one of the most challenging environments on Earth is a testament to the power of evolution and natural selection. In the undergrowth of forests and meadows, a silent hunter lies in wait. This hunter is not large or fearsome in appearance, but it is a master of stealth and patience. It thrives in the shadows, blending seamlessly with the environment, making it almost invisible to the untrained eye. The black-legged tick, a creature of stealth and patience, seeks a meal of warm blood. It is a tiny arachnid, often no larger than a sesame seed, yet it plays a significant role in the ecosystem. Its quest for blood is not just a matter of survival, but also a means of reproduction. It climbs to the top of a blade of grass, its 8 legs outstretched, waiting for an opportunity to latch onto a passing host. This behavior, known as questing, is a remarkable display of the tick's adaptability and persistence. The tick can sense the carbon dioxide and heat emitted by potential hosts, guiding it to the perfect ambush spot. This is a strategy of ambush, a waiting game that can last for days or even weeks. The tick remains motionless, conserving energy until the right moment arrives. Its patience is a testament to its evolutionary success, allowing it to thrive in various environments from dense forests to open meadows. The tick's patience is rewarded when a mammal, perhaps a deer or an unsuspecting hiker, brushes past its perch. The tick's small size and light weight make it easy for it to go unnoticed as it transfers to its new host. This moment is crucial as it determines the tick's ability to feed and reproduce. With remarkable agility, the tick grabs hold, its barbed mouthparts digging into the host's skin. The tick's mouthparts are specially adapted to anchor it firmly in place, making it difficult for the host to dislodge it. This secure attachment is vital for the tick to feed effectively. The tick, now firmly attached, begins to feed, its body slowly engorging with blood. As it feeds, the tick can transmit various pathogens to its host, including the bacteria that cause Lyme disease. This feeding process can last several days, during which the tick's body swells dramatically, sometimes to several times its original size. The engorged tick then drops off, ready to continue its life cycle, laying eggs and perpetuating the species. The life cycle of the black-legged tick consists of 4 stages: egg, larva, nymph, and adult. After hatching from eggs, the larvae, often called seed ticks, seek their first blood meal from small mammals or birds. Once engorged, they drop off and molt into nymphs. Nymphs, which are slightly larger than larvae, also seek a blood meal, often from larger hosts like deer or humans. After feeding, they drop off and molt into adults. This stage is particularly dangerous for humans, as nymphs are more likely to transmit diseases due to their small size and the difficulty in detecting them. Adult ticks seek larger hosts for their final blood meal. Males typically feed briefly and then mate with females on the host. After mating, the female engorges on blood, drops off, and lays thousands of eggs, continuing the cycle. Black-legged ticks are notorious for transmitting Lyme disease caused by the bacterium Borrelia burgdorferi. They can also spread other diseases such as anaplasmosis, babesiosis, and Powassan virus. The pathogens are transmitted during the tick's feeding process, making early detection and removal crucial to prevent infection. To reduce the risk of tick-borne diseases, it's important to use tick prevention measures such as wearing protective clothing, using tick repellents, and performing regular tick checks after spending time in tick-prone areas. Prompt and proper removal of ticks can significantly decrease the likelihood of disease transmission. The life cycle of the black-legged tick is a complex journey. After the female lays thousands of eggs, the larvae hatch, and immediately seek out small mammals or birds for their first blood meal. This initial feeding is crucial for their development. Once engorged, the larvae drop off their host and molt into nymphs. Nymphs are particularly dangerous to humans because of their small size, making them hard to detect. They seek out larger hosts, such as deer or humans, for their next blood meal. After feeding, they drop off again and molt into adults. Adult ticks, now fully developed, seek out large mammals for their final blood meal. Males feed briefly and then mate with females on the host. The female, after mating, engorges on blood, drops off and lays thousands of eggs, thus continuing the cycle. The transmission of diseases like Lyme disease occurs during the tick's feeding process. The bacteria Borrelia burgdorferi, responsible for Lyme disease, is transferred from the tick to the host. Symptoms of Lyme disease can include fever, headache, fatigue, and a characteristic skin rash called erythema migrans. Besides Lyme disease, black-legged ticks can transmit other serious illnesses, such as anaplasmosis, caused by the bacterium Anaplasma phagocytophilum, babesiosis, caused by Babesia parasites, and Powassan virus, which can lead to severe neurological damage. Preventing tick bites is essential to avoid these diseases. Using tick repellents, wearing protective clothing, and performing regular tick checks after outdoor activities are effective measures. Early detection and proper removal of ticks are crucial to minimize the risk of disease transmission. The life cycle of the black-legged tick is a complex journey. After the female lays thousands of eggs, the larvae hatch and immediately seek out small mammals or birds for their first blood meal. This initial feeding is crucial for their development. Once engorged, the larvae drop off their host and molt into nymphs. Nymphs are particularly dangerous to humans because of their small size, making them hard to detect. They seek out larger hosts, such as deer or humans, for their next blood meal. After feeding, they drop off again and molt into adults. Adult ticks, now fully developed, seek out large mammals for their final blood meal. Males feed briefly and then mate with females on the host. The female, after mating, engorges on blood, drops off and lays thousands of eggs, thus continuing the cycle. The transmission of diseases like Lyme disease occurs during the tick's feeding process. The bacteria Borrelia burgdorferi, responsible for Lyme disease, is transferred from the tick to the host. Symptoms of Lyme disease can include fever, headache, fatigue, and a characteristic skin rash called erythema migrans. Besides Lyme disease, black-legged ticks can transmit other serious illnesses such as anaplasmosis, caused by the bacterium Anaplasma phagocytophilum, babesiosis, caused by Babesia parasites, and Powassan virus, which can lead to severe neurological damage. Preventing tick bites is essential to avoid these diseases. Using tick repellents, wearing protective clothing, and performing regular tick checks after outdoor activities are effective measures. Early detection and proper removal of ticks are crucial to minimize the risk of disease transmission. Black-legged ticks play a significant role in the ecosystem. They are a food source for various animals, including birds and other insects. Their presence can influence the behavior and movement of their hosts, such as deer and small mammals, which in turn affects the distribution of plants and other animals in the forest. Birds, for example, can help control tick populations by feeding on them. However, they can also spread ticks to new areas, contributing to the expansion of tick habitats. This complex interaction highlights the tick's role in the broader ecological web. To protect yourself from tick bites, it's essential to take preventive measures. Apply tick repellent to exposed skin and clothing, wear long sleeves and pants, and tuck your pants into your socks when walking through grassy or wooded areas. After spending time outdoors, perform thorough tick checks on yourself, your children, and your pets. If you find a tick attached to your skin, remove it promptly using fine-tip tweezers. Grasp the tick as close to the skin's surface as possible and pull upward with steady, even pressure. Avoid twisting or jerking the tick, as this can cause the mouthparts to break off and remain in the skin. After removal, clean the bite area and your hands with rubbing alcohol or soap and water. If you develop a rash or fever within several weeks of removing a tick, see your doctor. Be sure to tell them about your recent tick bite, when it occurred, and where you most likely acquired the tick. Early diagnosis and treatment are crucial for preventing serious complications from tick-borne diseases. Understanding the life cycle of the black-legged tick can help in developing effective control strategies. By targeting specific stages of the tick's life cycle, such as the larval or nymph stages, it is possible to reduce tick populations and the risk of disease transmission. Integrated tick management involves a combination of methods, including habitat modification, chemical control, and biological control. Reducing leaf litter, tall grasses, and brush in your yard can make it less hospitable for ticks. Using acaricides or tick pesticides can help reduce tick populations in high-risk areas. Additionally, treating pets with tick control products can prevent them from bringing ticks into your home. Community-wide efforts are also important in controlling tick populations. Public awareness campaigns, neighborhood cleanup events, and collaboration with local health departments can help reduce the risk of tick-borne diseases. By working together, communities can create safer environments for everyone. Maintaining a healthy and balanced ecosystem is key to managing tick populations. Biodiversity, including a variety of predators and competitors, can help keep tick numbers in check. Conservation efforts that promote a diverse and resilient ecosystem can ultimately reduce the prevalence of ticks and the diseases they carry. By taking preventive measures and understanding the role of ticks in the ecosystem, we can safely enjoy the great outdoors. Awareness and education are our best tools in the fight against tick-borne diseases, ensuring that we can continue to explore and appreciate nature without fear. Remember, prevention is the best defense against tick bites. Stay vigilant, take precautions, and enjoy the beauty of nature with peace of mind. In the hidden world beneath our feet, a battle for survival is waged on a microscopic scale. Predatory mites, barely visible to the naked eye, are fierce hunters in this miniature ecosystem. They are agile and relentless, their small size an advantage as they navigate the narrow spaces between soil particles. These tiny gladiators possess an array of adaptations for hunting their prey, often other mites or small insects. Some species are armed with powerful jaws capable of crushing the exoskeletons of their victims. Others inject paralyzing venom, rendering their prey helpless. Predatory mites thrive in a variety of habitats, from leaf litter and decaying wood to the rich organic layers of soil. Their prey includes nematodes, small insects, and even other mites, making them crucial players in controlling pest populations. Equipped with highly sensitive sensory organs, they can detect the slightest movements of their prey. Whether ambushing or stalking, predatory mites employ a range of hunting strategies to capture their next meal. Once captured, the prey is swiftly consumed, providing the mite with essential nutrients to continue its predatory lifestyle. Beyond their role as hunters, predatory mites significantly influence the health of soil ecosystems. By reducing pest populations, they help maintain a balance in the soil community, contributing to soil aeration and nutrient cycling. Some predatory mites also engage in symbiotic relationships with other beneficial soil organisms, further enhancing the ecological balance. Their ability to adapt to changing environmental conditions makes them resilient and vital components of soil ecosystems. In agricultural settings, predatory mites are often used as natural pest control agents, promoting sustainable farming practices. Their life cycle and reproductive strategies ensure a stable population, ready to tackle pest outbreaks whenever they arise. Ultimately, predatory mites play a crucial role in enhancing soil fertility and promoting plant growth, making them indispensable to a thriving ecosystem. Predatory mites exhibit a variety of hunting techniques, from ambushing unsuspecting prey to actively chasing down their targets. Some species use camouflage to blend into their surroundings, allowing them to surprise their prey with sudden attacks. They can be found in different soil layers, each adapted to specific conditions, showcasing their versatility in diverse environments. By interacting with soil particles and other organisms, predatory mites influence soil structure and health, making them key players in soil ecosystems. Researchers study predatory mites to understand their ecological roles and potential applications in sustainable agriculture. Their use in integrated pest management helps reduce the reliance on chemical pesticides, promoting eco-friendly farming practices. In their natural habitats, predatory mites contribute to biodiversity and the overall balance of ecosystems, highlighting their ecological importance. In greenhouses, predatory mites are used to control spider mites, a common pest that can devastate crops. A notable case study in vineyards shows how predatory mites effectively control grapevine pests, leading to healthier crops and reduced pesticide use. Urban gardens and small-scale farms also benefit from predatory mites, which help manage pests without the need for harmful chemicals. In forest ecosystems, predatory mites play a role in maintaining forest health by naturally controlling pest populations. Predatory mites are found in tropical soils where they adapt to humid environments and contribute to the rich biodiversity of these regions. Even in arid regions, predatory mites have adapted to survive in dry conditions, showcasing their incredible resilience. In composting systems, predatory mites aid in the decomposition process, helping to break down organic matter and manage waste. Innovative farming techniques like aquaponics and hydroponics also utilize predatory mites to maintain pest-free environments. Educational programs often include predatory mites to teach students about ecological balance and sustainable practices. Conservation efforts use predatory mites to protect endangered plants and restore natural habitats, emphasizing their ecological value. Research on climate change includes studying how predatory mites adapt to global changes, providing insights into ecosystem resilience. Biocontrol programs leverage predatory mites to reduce invasive species, aiding in ecological management and restoration. Predatory mites serve as bioindicators in soil health monitoring, helping scientists assess environmental conditions and ecosystem health. Sustainable landscaping and eco-friendly gardens incorporate predatory mites to maintain pest control and promote urban ecology. As agricultural practices evolve, predatory mites will continue to play a crucial role in innovative pest management and ecosystem sustainability. In the cool, damp air of a forest floor, a harvestman, also known as a daddy longlegs, emerges from its daytime hiding place. These fascinating creatures are often mistaken for spiders, but they belong to a different order of arachnids called opiliones. Their unique appearance and behavior set them apart in the intricate web of forest life. Its 8 slender legs, incredibly long and delicate, move with a deliberate grace, carrying it over obstacles and through the undergrowth. These legs are not just for movement, they serve multiple purposes, including sensing the environment and even deterring predators. The harvestman's legs can detach easily if grabbed by a predator, allowing it to escape and survive another day. Unlike its spider relatives, the harvestman does not spin webs or possess venom. This lack of venom means it relies on other strategies for survival, such as camouflage and its ability to remain motionless for long periods, blending seamlessly with the forest floor. It is a scavenger and an opportunistic feeder, its long legs carrying it far and wide in search of sustenance. The harvestman's diet is incredibly diverse, allowing it to thrive in various environments. It consumes a wide range of organic material which helps in the decomposition process, making it an essential part of the ecosystem. The harvestman's diet is varied, encompassing both plant and animal matter. It feeds on decaying plant material, fungi, and small insects, playing a crucial role in nutrient cycling within the forest. It uses its small mouthparts to pick at decaying leaves, scavenge for dead insects, and even hunt small invertebrates. This scavenging behavior not only provides the harvestman with necessary nutrients, but also helps keep the forest floor clean and free of excess organic debris. Its long legs, covered in sensory hairs, alert it to vibrations and changes in the environment, helping it to locate food and avoid danger. These sensory hairs are incredibly sensitive, allowing the harvestman to detect even the slightest movements around it. This heightened sense of awareness is vital for its survival, as it navigates the complex and often perilous world of the forest floor. The harvestman's interactions with other forest creatures are a testament to its adaptability and resilience. Whether it's avoiding predators, finding food, or simply moving through its habitat, the harvestman is a master of survival. Its presence in the forest is a reminder of the delicate balance of nature and the intricate relationships that sustain it. As the harvestman continues its journey across the forest floor, it plays a silent yet significant role in maintaining the health and balance of its ecosystem. Each step it takes, each leaf it turns, contributes to the ongoing cycle of life in the forest. The harvestman, with its long legs and unique behaviors, is a small but vital part of the natural world. The anatomy of the harvestman is quite unique. Unlike spiders, their bodies are not divided into two distinct segments. Instead, they have a single fused body structure that gives them a more rounded appearance. This fusion of the cephalothorax and abdomen is one of the key characteristics that distinguish them from other arachnids. Harvestmen also exhibit fascinating grooming behaviors. They use their legs to clean their body and sensory hairs, ensuring that they remain sensitive to environmental changes. This grooming is essential for maintaining their ability to detect prey and predators. When threatened, harvestmen can adopt a defensive posture, raising their legs to appear larger and more intimidating. Some species can also secrete foul-smelling chemicals from specialized glands to deter predators. These defensive strategies are crucial for their survival in the wild. Interestingly, some harvestman species exhibit social behaviors, often gathering in large groups. These aggregations can provide protection against predators and help in finding mates. The social dynamics of harvestmen are a subject of ongoing research, revealing the complexity of their interactions. The ecological role of the harvestman extends beyond scavenging. By consuming a variety of organic materials, they help in nutrient recycling, which is vital for the health of the forest ecosystem. Their presence indicates a well-balanced environment where each creature plays a part in maintaining the natural order. In conclusion, the harvestman is a remarkable arachnid with unique anatomical features, diverse behaviors, and a significant ecological role. Its long legs and adaptive strategies make it a master of survival in the forest. As we continue to study these fascinating creatures, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of life that sustains our natural world. One of the most intriguing physical characteristics of the harvestman is its simple eyes. Unlike spiders, which have multiple eyes, harvestmen typically have just a pair of eyes located on a small raised structure called an ocularium. These eyes provide limited vision, so the harvestman relies heavily on its sensory legs to navigate and understand its surroundings. The legs of the harvestman are not only long, but also highly jointed, allowing for remarkable flexibility and range of motion. This enables the harvestman to maneuver through complex terrains, climb vegetation, and even reach into crevices to find food or escape predators. Another fascinating behavior is autotomy, where the harvestman can voluntarily shed a leg to escape from a predator's grasp. This self-amputation is a survival mechanism, and while the lost leg does not regenerate, the harvestman can continue to live and function with the remaining legs. The defensive glands of the harvestman are another unique feature. These glands, located near the base of the legs, can secrete a variety of chemicals that are distasteful or toxic to predators. This chemical defense is a crucial adaptation that helps the harvestman deter potential threats and survive in its environment. The harvestman's ability to adapt to different environments and its diverse range of behaviors make it a fascinating subject of study. From its unique physical characteristics to its complex interactions within the ecosystem, the harvestman exemplifies the incredible diversity and adaptability of arachnids. The sensory hairs on the harvestman's legs are not just for detecting vibrations. They can also sense chemical cues in the environment, helping the harvestman locate food sources and identify potential mates. This multifunctional use of sensory hairs showcases the harvestman's evolutionary adaptations. The harvestman's interactions with other forest creatures are complex and varied. They can be both prey and predator, and their presence influences the behavior of other animals in the ecosystem. This intricate web of interactions highlights the harvestman's role in maintaining ecological balance. When adopting a defensive posture, the harvestman's raised legs can also serve as a warning signal to other harvestmen, indicating the presence of danger. This form of communication is an additional layer of their survival strategy, demonstrating their sophisticated behavioral adaptations. The harvestman's contribution to the ecosystem goes beyond nutrient recycling. By preying on small insects and other invertebrates, they help control pest populations, contributing to the overall health of the forest. Their role as both scavengers and predators makes them a keystone species in their habitat. In summary, the harvestman is a remarkable arachnid with a wide array of unique physical characteristics and behaviors. Its long legs, sensory adaptations and diverse diet make it a master of survival in the forest. As we continue to study these fascinating creatures, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of life that sustains our natural world. The legs of the harvestman are not only long, but also highly jointed, allowing for remarkable flexibility and range of motion. This enables the harvestman to maneuver through complex terrains, climb vegetation, and even reach into crevices to find food or escape predators. Another fascinating behavior is autotomy, where the harvestman can voluntarily shed a leg to escape from a predator's grasp. This self-amputation is a survival mechanism, and while the lost leg does not regenerate, the harvestman can continue to live and function with the remaining legs. The defensive glands of the harvestman are another unique feature. These glands, located near the base of the legs, can secrete a variety of chemicals that are distasteful or toxic to predators. This chemical defense is a crucial adaptation that helps the harvestman deter potential threats and survive in its environment. The harvestman's ability to adapt to different environments and its diverse range of behaviors make it a fascinating subject of study. From its unique physical characteristics to its complex interactions within the ecosystem, the harvestman exemplifies the incredible diversity and adaptability of arachnids. The sensory hairs on the harvestman's legs are not just for detecting vibrations. They can also sense chemical cues in the environment, helping the harvestman locate food sources and identify potential mates. This multifunctional use of sensory hairs showcases the harvestman's evolutionary adaptations. The harvestman's interactions with other forest creatures are complex and varied. They can be both prey and predator, and their presence influences the behavior of other animals in the ecosystem. This intricate web of interactions highlights the harvestman's role in maintaining ecological balance. When adopting a defensive posture, the harvestman's raised legs can also serve as a warning signal to other harvestmen, indicating the presence of danger. This form of communication is an additional layer of their survival strategy, demonstrating their sophisticated behavioral adaptations. The harvestman's contribution to the ecosystem goes beyond nutrient recycling. By preying on small insects and other invertebrates, they help control pest populations, contributing to the overall health of the forest. Their role as both scavengers and predators makes them a keystone species in their habitat. In summary, the harvestman is a remarkable arachnid with a wide array of unique physical characteristics and behaviors. Its long legs, sensory adaptations, and diverse diet make it a master of survival in the forest. As we continue to study these fascinating creatures, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of life that sustains our natural world. Beneath the loose bark of a rotting log, a miniature drama unfolds. A pseudo-scorpion, barely larger than a grain of rice, stalks its prey with precision and patience. Though it resembles a scorpion in miniature, lacking the characteristic tail and sting, this arachnid is a formidable hunter in its own right. Its world is a confined space, a labyrinth of tunnels and chambers beneath the bark, where it navigates with ease. The pseudoscorpion relies on stealth and cunning to capture its prey, typically small insects, larvae and mites. It moves with surprising speed, its flattened body allowing it to navigate tight spaces with ease. Its most formidable weapons are its pincers, which are equipped with venom glands. Pseudoscorpions use their pincers not only to grasp, but also to inject venom into their prey, immobilizing them swiftly. These tiny hunters can be found in a variety of habitats, from under stones and leaf litter to the bark of trees. Pseudoscorpions also engage in meticulous grooming, using their pincers to clean themselves and maintain their sensory hairs. Once a prey is captured, the pseudoscorpion secretes digestive enzymes to break down the food, making it easier to consume. Their adaptability allows them to thrive in diverse environments, making them one of the most versatile arachnid hunters. Pseudoscorpions play a crucial role in controlling the populations of other small invertebrates, maintaining the balance in their ecosystems. Their preferred habitats include moist environments under bark, stones and leaf litter, where they can find ample prey and shelter. Pseudoscorpions employ a variety of hunting techniques, including ambush and active pursuit, depending on the availability of prey. Some species even produce silk to create small shelters or to assist in capturing prey, showcasing their remarkable adaptability. Their ability to blend into their surroundings makes them effective predators, often going unnoticed by both prey and potential threats. By understanding their habitats and predatory techniques, we gain insight into the complex lives of these fascinating arachnid hunters. Pseudoscorpions thrive in moist environments, which provide the humidity necessary for their survival and the abundance of prey they need. The silk produced by some pseudoscorpions is used to create shelters that protect them from predators and environmental hazards. When ambushing prey, pseudoscorpions remain motionless, waiting for the perfect moment to strike with their venomous pincers. In active pursuit, they chase down their prey with remarkable agility, using their speed and precision to capture it. Their natural camouflage allows them to blend seamlessly into their surroundings, making them nearly invisible to both prey and predators. By studying their habitats and predatory techniques, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate lives of these tiny yet formidable arachnid hunters. Interestingly, pseudoscorpions sometimes engage in symbiotic relationships with other species, such as beetles, providing them with transportation to new habitats. This behavior, known as foracy, allows pseudoscorpions to hitch a ride on larger insects, expanding their range and finding new sources of food. Scientists continue to study pseudoscorpions to understand their unique adaptations and their role in various ecosystems. Through controlled experiments, researchers have discovered fascinating aspects of their behavior, such as their ability to produce silk and their complex hunting strategies. These studies not only shed light on the survival strategies of pseudoscorpions, but also help us appreciate the delicate balance of nature they help maintain. From the damp undergrowth of forests to the arid regions under stones, pseudoscorpions demonstrate an incredible ability to adapt and thrive in diverse habitats. Their interactions with other small creatures highlight their importance in the ecosystem as both predators and prey, contributing to the intricate web of life. By delving deeper into the world of pseudoscorpions, we uncover the hidden complexities and marvels of these tiny yet extraordinary arachnid hunters. These remarkable hunting strategies highlight the incredible adaptability and diversity of arachnids, showcasing their vital role in ecosystems around the world. From controlling insect populations to providing food for larger animals, arachnids are essential threads in the intricate web of life. Their world, often hidden from our view, is filled with wonder and complexity, reminding us of the boundless creativity of nature. From the tarantula's molting process to the jumping spider's incredible leaps and the scorpion's maternal care, each species exhibits unique and fascinating behaviors. Spider silk, one of the strongest natural fibers, is used for various purposes, from building webs to creating egg sacs. Some spiders mimic ants to avoid predators, while others use camouflage to blend into their surroundings. Arachnids inhabit diverse environments, from arid deserts to lush rainforests and even urban areas. Their specialized adaptations, such as the spider's multiple eyes, the scorpion's pincers, and the mite's mouthparts, enable them to thrive in various ecological niches and form symbiotic relationships with other species. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the natural world.